welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we have our customer Paul's beautiful F87 M2 Comp. This one has come in for a catback Armytrix exhaust system, Eibach lowering springs, wheel spacers, that's what I believe 12mm all round we've gone with this one. Also ID carbon fibre body kit, so wind mirrors, side grills, splitter, spoiler, side winglets, I suppose, should we call them, rear diffuser, and I think that's it. Yeah, and it's also been treated to a BM3 by Pro Tuning Freak Stage 1 tune as well.